Good morning, children. Today we are going to deal with a very important topic in grammar, that is tag questions. Generally, most of the people say question tag, but it is not so correct. The correct term is tag question. Tag means to add, to attach. We add a short question to the given statement or sentence. Tag means to add. So first process is adding, and what we add? A question. Therefore always remember that the correct term is tag question. A tag question is a short question attached to the end of the statement or a sentence. For example, it is hot today. It is hot today, isn't it? It is hot today is a statement. And a short question is added to it, isn't it? The most important thing is that a tag question is used to draw the attention of the listener and seek his agreement. The listener's agreement is taken for granted. Say for example, if I say it is hot today, isn't it? I want to draw the listener's attention and seek his agreement, but I don't want to wait for his yes or no. The speaker proceeds. So listener's agreement is assumed. It is taken for granted. The listener's agreement is taken for granted. It is assumed. Tags are used in conversation and friendly letters where the writer adopts the conversational style. Some people write so effectively, when we read letter, we feel that as if we are talking to that person personally. Tags are not only meant for examination. Tags make our conversations effective, our letters effective. Some writers adopt the conversation style, and such letters are worthy to read. The basic thing of tag is always opposite of the statement. It means the positive statement takes the negative tag. For example, this book is very interesting. Is a positive statement. Its tag should be negative. Isn't this? The negative statement takes the positive tag. For example, they are not working hard. This is a negative statement. So tag should be positive. Are they? It means before you add a tag, you must know whether the given statement is a positive or negative. How the statements become negative? Check these examples. None of the food was wasted. Was it? Statement is negative. We will see the reason afterwards. We saw no one in the house. Did we? There is nothing in it. Is there? He is never late. Is he? It is not good thing. Is it? These are examples. Now the above statements are negative. See the reasons. First statement, none of the food was wasted, is negative because of the negative subject. Subject is negative. Second statement, we saw no one in the house is negative because no one is object. Object is negative. Third one, there is nothing in it. This statement is negative because complement, the word which adds to the meaning of the verb, is called complement. Nothing, complement is negative, so the statement is negative. And next statement, he is never late, is negative because adverb is negative. Never is adverb. And the last statement, it is not a good thing, negative because it is negative verb. So 5 reasons make the statement negative. We generally only look at the verb or the words like no, not, never, and say whether the statement is negative or positive. But it should not be so. These things should be checked to decide whether the statement is negative or positive. Negative subject, negative object, negative complement, negative adverb, and negative verb. The most important thing is that sometimes there is semi-negative word in the sentence, and that makes the statement negative. The given statement can become negative because of semi-negative words. The words like hardly, rarely, scarcely, seldom, in grammar they are called semi-negative words. And any of these words, if it is in a statement, that statement should be treated as negative and it takes the positive tag. Say for example, he rarely visits his parents. Apparently the statement appears positive, but it is not so, because rarely is semi-negative word, so the statement is negative, tag should be positive. Does he? We seldom see the colored birds in this area. Seldom is semi-negative word, so the statement is negative and the tag is positive, do we? 5 reasons: negative subject, negative object, negative complement, negative adverb, negative verb makes the statement negative. Then semi-negative words make the statement negative. Another suggestion is that the words like few and little are also semi-negative, but if they are used without article, say for example, few students know the answer. Few without article, it is semi-negative, so the statement is negative, tag should be positive, do they? But if you add article a few, it becomes positive, and then tag should be negative. A few people knew the matter, didn't they? See the difference. Few without article is negative, takes the positive tag. But if you add article a few, then it is positive, it takes a negative tag. Similarly, the word little. There is a little scope for a career. A little, with article it is positive, so the tag should be negative. Isn't there? All these examples give you the base of the tag. Construction of the tag, how we form the tag. It is a nice day, isn't it? This is a statement. Isn't is verb, and its subject is repeated. Verb plus subject is the construction of the tag. Now, all the statements do not take the same tag. When you add a tag, you must know the kind of the verb in that statement. Forms of to be, forms of have, forms of to be am, is, are, was, were. forms of have, has, had. Modal auxiliary, or we call modals. Can, shall, will, must, and their past tenses. And linking words, main words. First three forms of to be, forms of have, and modals are repeated in the tag. But if there is main word, linking word, then form of do is used. Say for example here, if you people knew the matter, knew is linking word, main word, so it is replaced by the form of do. Knew is past tense, so did. And the statement is positive, so the negative form of did in this way. I will make it short. There are four groups of words: forms of to be, forms of have, modal auxiliary, and main verbs. It depends on the kind of the verb in the statement, how to add a tag. Now after these exceptions, constructions, how the statements become positive or negative, then we come to the main topic. Before that, I will repeat one more point. Positive statement takes negative tag and negative statement takes positive tag. This is the best. But you must know on what ground do the statements become negative. I told you, sometimes subject is negative, object is negative, adverb is negative, complement is negative, verb is negative, 5 reasons. In addition to that, semi-negative words like rarely, scarcely, hardly, seldom, they are negative. And they always take the positive tag. In addition to that, words like few and little, if they are without article, they are negative. But if you place the article before those words, they are positive and they take the negative tag. Now let's go to the first group. Group 1, tags with forms of to be. And in or was where, these verbs in grammar are called forms of to be. Is becomes isn't, and if the statement is negative, isn't becomes is, vice versa, opposite you have to remember. Are becomes aren't, was, wasn't, were, weren't. It depends on the sentence. If there is a sentence, they were not prompt, they were not, so tag will be were, and were becomes were. In first group, forms of to be, verb am is exception. If it is positive, then am is replaced by aren't I. So for example, if I say, I am right, it is a positive statement. The tag is aren't I. But am, if it is negative, then am is repeated, am I. For example, I am not right. Am I? The verb am is exception. If it is positive, replaced by aren't I. But if it is in the negative sentence, then it is repeated, am I. Now in short, you can conclude that forms of to be are repeated in the tag either in the positive or negative forms. It depends on the given statement. And am is exception. If am is used in positive, tag is aren't I. If it is negative, then am I. So this is the first group, tagged with forms of to be. For example, they are never late. Are is a form of to be. But the statement is negative because there is negative adverb never. And so the entire statement is negative, positive tag are they. Form of to be is repeated. They are working very hard. It's a positive statement. So negative form of are is repeated. Aren't they? This statement is positive. This statement, though R is positive, adverb is negative, so here is positive tag. There is nothing in it. Nothing is negative complement. So the statement is negative and tag is positive. Is repeated. Is there. I am really fine. Am is used in positive form, so it is replaced by and I. But in this sentence, I am not in a good position. Now it is in negative sentence, so it is repeated. Am I. They were ready to help. Positive statement. Weren't they? There is hardly any colored bird in this garden. This statement is negative because hardly is semi-negative word, so it will take positive tag. Is there. This is the first group. I will repeat the important points now. I will summarize that. Tags are used in conversations and friendly letters. They make our conversation very effective, our letters very effective. Secondly, in conversation, tags are used to draw the listener's attention and seek his agreement. But the listener's agreement is taken for granted. Positive statement takes negative tag and the negative statement takes the positive tag. But 7 important suggestions you have to remember how the statement becomes negative. Negative subject, negative object, negative complement, negative adverb, negative verb, semi-negative words, and words like few and little. Without article they are negative, but with article they are positive. With this help, then you have to check the kinds of verbs. First group deals with forms of to be. Am, is, are, was, were. Basic suggestion is that these helping verbs are repeated in the tag. Exception is am. If am is positive, it is not repeated. Am is replaced by and I. But if am is used in the negative statement, then it is repeated. I am not well, am I? Because statement is negative. I am well, it is positive, so negative and I. These are the suggestions regarding the first group of words, that is forms of to be. Exception is am. Remember in short. Positive, negative, negative, positive. First group, forms of to be, all are repeated, and is, are, was, were, either in positive or negative form. It depends on the given statement. And then the construction of the tag is verb plus subject. And always remember, say tag question, not question tag. So first group is complete. Watch this clip again and again. You will get the basic thing about using the tag in our conversation, in letter writing, and in our daily thoughts. Okay, thank you. We will continue part 2 in next period.